आनी आमी तांकां फूल तेंको दिता. एंटनी बाबान नावेली खातीर, नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी खातीर जायतें काम केल्लें आसा. आमी बाराबर रिजनल प्लॅन सुद्दां करतना एंटनी बाबा आहा आमचे बराबर. शेतां एक्वायर करपाक गेल्लीं ती आडावपाक एंटनी आसा. मागीर CZMP प्लॅन जाल्ले तेन्ना एंटनी आसा. पोल्युशन जाल्लें सालपेतोळे रिवर साल तेन्ना एंटनी आसा. सो एंटनी सगळ्या इशू उबो रावला, नावेलीकाराच्या लोकां बरोबर उबो रावला, नावेली गांव सुदारपाक उबो रावलो. आनी आमचो पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट तो वायस प्रिंसिपल. सो हांव धरता तो जिखून आयलो जाल्यार आमच्या एसेंब्लीन एक आवाज उरतलो आनी गोंय सुद्दां जशें नावेली खातीर ताणें तेंको दिला तशें आख्या गोंय तो तेंको दिवपाक शकतलो. ताजे कडेन ती कॅपॅसिटी आसा आनी त्या खातीर आमी ताका सिलेक्ट केला. मागता सगळ्या नावेलकार भावां कडेन भयणी कडेन की ह्या येता त्या इलेक्शनाक सगळ्यांनी बाब एंटनीक वोट मारचो आनी ताका निवडून हाडचो. आमचो फुडलो आमदार बाब एंटनी आसतलो अशें आमी सदांच धरपाचें.
आनी कितल्याशा जाणांक येवंक मेळोंक ना. बट आय एम व्हेरी ग्लॅड दॅट these people have gathered together in one voice. They have reposed their faith in me so that I represent the village. हांव नावेली मतदारसंघाचो एक प्रतिनिधी म्हणून गोंयची असेंब्ली धाडपाक तांणी हो प्रपोजल मुखार मांडलो. जायत्या जाणांनी म्हजे विशीं खूब उलयलां आनी हांव चडसो उलोवंक सोदिना. पूण एकूच सांगूंक सोदतां, हांव एक शिक्षक आसलो. I was peacefully with my profession, but I am very much unhappy with what is happening in politics. आयज आमच्या भुरग्यांक कितले शिकले देखून जाल्यार जॉब मेळना, ताका भायर जावचें पडटा. अल्टिमेटली पर्चेस पासपोर्ट करची पडटा. आनी तांकां जेन्ना हिंगा घरा येवन एक घर काडपाक, एक प्लॉट काडपाक कितें जाय जाल्यार वी आर फुली दे हॅव टू कन्फ्रंट द करप्शन हियर. ताका कितलेशे पयशे मोडून पासून तांची कामां जायना. Today corruption has reached such a level that even after paying bribes, you don't get your jobs done. And what has happened is, over a period of time, a lot of people, through all bad means, have accumulated a lot of money. And आयज ह्या इलेक्शनाच्या टायमाक ते पयशे भायर काडटात. आयज इलेक्शनाक बसोंक कोण सोदता? पयलेच बॅनर मारूंक लागता. सोशल वर्कर, डायनॅमिक, मागीर क्रिसमस, न्यू इयर हाचे विशीस घालप. हॅपी न्यू इयर, मेरी क्रिसमस, हॅपी दिवाळी, हॅपी ईद. मागीर पडटा तुका हो मनीस इलेक्शनाक बसोंक सोदता म्हणून. उपरांत मागीर कोण आतां कसलो एक कितें सोशल वर्क करूंक सोदता, कोण एक वीड काटींग करता, कोण गाटर क्लीन करता, कोण रेशन व्हरून घराक पळयता. हांव म्हणटा सिवील सप्लायज बंद जाले, पंचायत बंद जाले, फॉगिंग करपाक. हे सगळे आमचे आहात सवलती, पूण तरी पासून हे मुखार येतात. हांव म्हणना तांणी वायट केला म्हणून. But what I am saying is, do these people really qualify to represent the people of any constituency in the assembly? Will they be able to stand up and fight? Will they be able to discuss laws? As a MLA, जातलो जाल्यार, who is your MLA? Member of the Legislative Assembly. The person is supposed to legislate in the assembly. आयज आमी धाडटात ते मनीस, तांकांच खबर ना, वॉकआउट म्हळ्यार वॉकआउट करतात. आनी ताका कसलो लॉ पास जावचो आसा तो तांकां डिस्कस करूंकूय ते पावना. तर आयज विनंती करता, जे कोण पयशे दिवन आयज इलेक्शनाक बसोंक सोदतात जायते बसतले. तांचे पयशे तुमी घेवंक जाता. बिकॉज दे आर नॉट गिवींग यू मनी, दे आर रिटर्निंग द मनी टू यू. सो असले आमकां पॉलिटिक्स नाका जाल्यार हांव विनंती करतां, हांगाच गोंयांच न्हू, नावेलीच न्हू, पुराय गोंयांत बरे मनीस तुमी सोदून काडचे. And I gladly accept this responsibility today, which is given to me by my villagers. And I will see that I will not betray them. Thank you very much. In Toto, the system has collapsed. Not one person. The system has failed us. Let us say, even if we want to get an RTI to do fight something, see, activism was there even when any MLA was ruling. But today things are not happening. The administration is totally collapsed. So you can't just blame one person over it.
Were you the Congress member before? Were you with Congress?
Yeah, I was with Congress. In fact, Mr. Luisino Falero had given me the responsibility to be the Youth Congress, Block Youth Congress president many years ago. That was a time when Girish Chodankar was the state youth president. I don't have any this thing of right now. what the people have around me have come to a conclusion that I must represent them.
Congress is also supposed to be a secular party now. So they offer India amka, then we will see.
So you are happy with the functioning of the Congress and what is happening with the Congress?
See,
See, what has happened is, I'll ask you a simple rhetorical question. Who was not a congressman here once upon a time? We were all. Okay? So, the thing is, whenever these people have been telling that I have been taking up issues, I have been agitating, been involved in so many agitations, even presently, I am the joint secretary of the Movement for Special Status. Okay? We have passed resolutions, forced the BJP to bring in the special status resolution. So what has happened is people have not known me over some time, and that is why all the villagers gathered together and they said, okay, let's go to the press and let's declare me as a candidate. That's all.